Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video, I'm doing another Lego Polybag build-along. And in this case, it's for set 30359. And this is the City Police Waterplane. If you enjoy this kind of video and want to see more of them, please think about subscribing and turning on notifications, because I plan on doing one of these videos a day for the foreseeable future. So if you enjoy this kind of thing, then, think about subscribing. Also, if you're interested in actually building along with me, I've included links in the description for where you can find this particular set on Amazon and on Bricklink, and also I've included a link to Brickset if you just want information about this particular set. Also, there's a Google document, like a spreadsheet, that has all of my Polybag build-alongs with the appropriate links included as well, if you're interested. Alright, so in this case, we're getting a female cop, it looks like. No other expression, just one expression for her. And we get another one of the helmets with the visors, which I gotta say, I kind of like the whole helmet visor thing. I think it's a neat kind of addition for the minifigs. And it seems like we end up doing pretty good with these for all the pilot city type things. Although, for some reason, I can't get a grasp on this thing. Alright, let's try again. There we go. Alright. So, she is now ready for her helicopter as soon as we get her walkie-talkie. Alright. So, give her a walkie-talkie, like so. And then, should be good to go. Alright, so she's ready for her helicopter as soon as we get it ready for her. Alright, so we'll slide all this stuff aside and commence to assemble us a helicopter. Alright. Let me see. So, right there, we're looking at here, and here he is. I knew he was here somewhere. So this is going to give us the runners for the helicopter, like so. Alright. And then after the runners, we flip it over. And this one goes here. And here. And then I got a 1x2 going right there in the back. Let's pull this up a little bit so y'all can see better. Alright. So then we're just going to take care of basically the rest of the, I guess they'd be pontoons maybe? Police water plane. So this is a plane? Okay, hold on a minute. For some reason I was thinking this was like a helicopter. So, it's like a ultralight with pontoons? I don't know. Anyway, we'll see where we stand. Okay. So, got that there. And this here for that one. And then we have these, which I'm assuming are intended to be the police lights. And let's line that up so they're all neat and even. And then this takes care of this one. And this one. It didn't look too bad. So, let's see. Got that. And we need to add in. There's always one of these. Well, there's almost always one of those. Alright, we got that. And then that there. With the two sticking off. And then so this takes us to here. And so what we need is we need this little vent looking thing, which is gonna go right there. And then this, which is assuming we're going to attach our stuff. Okay, so right there we need this. So that piece, and then two of these. Now, I've always wondered how Lego determines what extra pieces they give you with the sets. It seems like one of those things like there should be a method to it, and I'm sure there is. I just don't know what it is. This is the control. I'm always a fan of stuff like the pre-printed pieces. Never been a big fan of the stickers. If you've seen some of my other videos where we've done pieces with stickers, you probably have noticed that I don't do stickers. Alright, so we're using a robot arm and this to get us the control stick for the plane. And it's going to attach between those like so. That's kind of neat. It's kind of a neat look to it. So we got that. And then when we flip over, and we got two more vents go on top, like so. We got two more vents there. Then these two side pieces. One side piece and two side pieces. And then putting together the swivel thing for the wings. That's kind of neat, right? And it goes in the top one. So we got that. We got that. And then this gives us a sort of a swivel mounting. And we got handcuffs for this one. Actually, we have two pairs of handcuffs, and so you can just put the handcuff there, and we'll put the other handcuff over here. And then, because she has we gave her the walkie-talkie. She has the walkie-talkie that would normally get mounted right there. So we put this on top, like so. And then the propeller goes in the back using apparently a gray one of these. Like so. And that attaches in here to the bottom one. Alright. we got our wings, which they seem to overhang the front. So it's going to be like this. And like this. And then we got that for another bit of light. And this goes right here. Alright, this is cooler than I was expecting it to be. I kind of like this. Alright. That goes there. That goes here. And then she gets to climb in the cockpit, like so. Alright, that's kind of cool. So you have, the wings are adjustable. It's kind of neat. And you got the propeller. Alright. That's kind of a neat little set. Anyway, here are extra pieces. It's not bad. I like it. I wasn't sure I would at first, but this one definitely kind of grew on me. Anyway, let me know what you think. If you have enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And I hope y'all have an excellent day.